Hello everyone, I am here today to teach you how to make an easy delicious dessert cake. So stay with me until the end. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that little bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Ingredients: flour 2 cups, milk half of a cup, oil half of a cup, sugar 1 cup, egg 3 numbers, baking powder 2 teaspoons, vanilla a quarter of teaspoon, cocoa powder 2 tablespoons. First, I turn on the gas, place a flame spreader on the gas flame, then put the pot on it and close the lid tightly. If you want to bake the cake in the oven, turn on the oven for 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. I break 3 eggs in a bowl. Then I add sugar and vanilla to it. After that, I start beating the mixture with an electric mixer. I mix the ingredients until the sugar is completely dissolved in the mixture and the mixture becomes a thick creamy liquid. Now it's time to add oil and milk to the mixture. I start beating the ingredients again with the mixer until they are completely mixed. At this stage, you can use cardamom powder to get a good taste and smell of the cake. Now it's time to sift the flour and baking powder. Now sift the flour on the cake liquid and mix the ingredients with the spatula in a circular motion in one direction. Our cake mixture is ready. If you want a monochrome cake, you can pour the cake mixture into the mold and bake at this stage. But if you want the cake to have a different color, pour half of the cake mixture into the bowl and put it aside. Then sift 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder over the rest of the cake ingredients. I lubricate the bottom of the pot with solid oil. Then pour the vanilla and cocoa mixture of the cake one after another into the mold. Then I draw on it with a toothpick or a wooden skewer. Now bake the cake on the gas or in the oven for 45 minutes. If the cake ingredients do not stick to the wooden skewer or toothpick, it means that your cake is baked and ready. Now I allow the cake to cool in the mold at room temperature. I hope you make this cake and enjoy it a lot. I'm glad to be with you with another tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press the little bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Hope to see you again.